Oh,
What?
Where's my key? Oh, I'm such an idiot. Key's right here. You guys are so lame.
You wanna go this way?
What you mean?
On the road or this way?
Hell no, it's on the road side. There's a cop right there too.
Oh, fuck yeah.
There's GSP right there. Oh, hey. This way. We went this way. Wait, no, that way. We are trying to make our way. I should have wore pants. Wearing shorts was probably a bad idea. Where are they going? What the hell are they doing? This is literally where we go. Right here, this way. We are literally trying to make our way to this abandoned railroad area, and it leads all the way into town. We thought it would be a genius idea to get everybody together and just kind of go there on pit bikes and see if we can make it. It's pretty like risky to get there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Dude, are you kidding me?
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is.
No.
Yes, it is. Well, let's see then.
Right,
Let's
man,
go. Let's go. I don't know, man. Hey, do you got a map? They act like I got a damn map out here. I know where I'm going somewhat. Kind of just making our own trails as we go too. Oh. Maybe I'll go this way. Ow! Dang, I should have wore pants. Oh! Hey, I can see it right there. Look straight ahead.
Oh, hell. I say go right.
All right, go ahead and slide down there. All right, railroad is just right there. Ah! Damn! Look at these freaking blue guys over here.
Hey, you gotta get a hand.
Come on, what? Look at them, still struggling. Damn TTRs. This guy. Calm down there, buddy. Watch out, G.
Not my chain,
Bruh. Freaking shake machine. Watch out, boy. This is gonna be the tricky part. We came over here at night the other day and we only had like one little small flashlight, so it was super sketchy because somewhere along here there's like hidden logs just laying down. Once we get to them, there's like probably 5 of them and we just gotta kind of wheelie over them and see like things like this. But there's some that's going all the way across the trail. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah! We almost died on this one the other night. I'm glad y'all stopped for this. That could have been bad. Making a little pit stop at our first dead stop train. You climbing up there?
Huh?
You climbing up there?
No. Up there?
Yeah.
You mean to climb that?
I'm coming up. We along for the ride there. This joker start moving. Y'all know I used to be like super badass at Subway surfers, right?
We know. Let's go.
We gotta get the pit bikes up here.
Yeah, we
That'd be, dude, get your Surron up.
We need a rope. We need a rope and pull the
You know
joker
how
up.
sketchy that would be? You fall off.
Oh, dude, you're...
Bro, don't fall off. Jace, get your scary ass up here. You gotta jump across, remember? Don't fall off from there, my boy. It's a ladder to get back up.
Yeah, go. Oh, you going?
Go ahead, bro.
Yeah, no,
You'll go live with the zombie.
I want it. Yeah, she gonna come down here with me?
Hell no.
Why not?
Absolutely not. Let's race and see if we can get down there first. All right, you ready? Set, go. Come on, little girl.
Dude, you slipped, dude.
If I slip, bro.
Oh, dude, your toes.
Hey.
Y'all trying to do it?
Oh, he already do it.
Hey, y'all trying to do it? Hey, let me drop down.
All right, y'all, we finna lead them. They walking all the way down there. Right here? All right, they not looking. They finna be like, what the fuck? Take their keys. Yes, sir, baby. Wheelies for days. Wheelies for days. Ah! Wheelies for days, baby. Straight into the pallets. Ah, double feet down. Swerve. Dude, that pit bike is so loud. Can we order? Can we order? Drive-through? Can we go to one of these or the drive-through? Oh, so, all right. So we gotta wait a little bit. We just want slushies.
Can you please tell them to stop? I can't hear y'all.
Tell them to stop.
Hey, stop.
Stop if you stop.
All right, we stop.
Okay, you
All right.
gonna order all together?
Yeah.
I ain't getting nothing.
So you don't want none?
Just some of it. You want some? You want some? You want some? Just 3.
You want some?
Yeah, 3 slushies.
I can't see your face. If I can't see your face, you can't get nothing.
Really?
They my eyeball.
Okay. Shut up! Okay,
All right,
so,
let me get a number 1, 2, 3, 14.
baby.
Could I get one of your? Let me get a lemon slushie,
What size?
a small.
So a small lemon slush. What else can I get for you?
Let me get a small chocolate milkshake.
I'm so sorry, but our ice cream machine is actually broken.
You gotta get a slushie. Let me do a strawberry slushie,
What size?
small.
See if they have
What else can I get for you?
Do you?
Don't.
Let me get a green apple slush with nerds, please.
We don't have green apple. I have lime.
Blueberry.
Is it good?
Blue raspberry?
Yeah, blue raspberry.
Let me do a blue raspberry and then a small. And
Nerds.
What else can I get for you?
let me get nerds with that, and that'll be all. Excuse me. She having a breakdown, y'all. Y'all got Apple Pay?
Y'all doing it with Apple Pay?
Yeah,
You don't have your card?
right here.
We got the car.
You can't do it.
Really? You got Cash App? I can Cash App you? Let me do that.
Used to run through the money, now I'm too old. Man, I'm just playing. Shot when I land. From Moto paper 6 flights, got the team right. I just told Mr. Band, came in for the bands.
Even though I was here 3 hours beforehand, before I even needed to be here to get ready and everything, still ended up missing my flight by 2 minutes. I was cutting it close either way. Plane was shutting the doors at 6:45, they said, and the plane was taking off at 7. I got to the gate that I was supposed to be at 6:47. So now I have to stay here an extra 12 hours for another flight that I booked. I have no bags, no nothing with me. I have another 7 hours to go.
Ride around with my sexy love in the passenger seat, Tell them why you mad for.
I've almost been up for about 24 hours now, but yep.
So give me a minute. I got checks in Hamburg, I might fly out this evening. I got checks in Moscow, I'll be back in a weekend. If it wasn't for COVID, I'd be in Europe touring. Counting cash on the couch is getting kinda boring.
We finally made it to our destination of a long day, man. I've been all huddled up to myself in the airport, you know, all to myself, sleeping on the floor, walking around doing nothing, but we made it here to Las Vegas, man. We had to meet up with my guy Ben. Yes, sir, Ski. What's going on, my guy? You want to let them know where we at?
We're at the one and only SEMA show, Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, man. But they've actually been here several freaking times, and they were, you know, kind enough to invite me and bring me along out this year. Everything should be pretty dope, bro.
Yeah.
We're excited. I was supposed to be here yesterday, but we had a little bit of everything going on, but today's the day, man. They actually got a little surprise of their own that they brought out here. It's like one of their first, they revealed it earlier this year, a couple months ago, and then they thought it would be pretty dope to bring it here this year, so it'd be dope to check it out. What kind of motor's in this engine?
It's none.
Popping no chain, feel like ice cool cause a dead good day. Don't need 3 whips, don't need no race. I'ma keep it simple in the Chevy I skate. Thank the Lord every time I wait. Lace my shoes and I get to that cake. Heads up, I'm coming.
I'll see y'all later.
White gold, keep it lace, gold chain, keep the beast inside and the hose insane. Like a Mary jeans in a Lambo truck with 2 powder bags and a ball made frames. 5 in the game plus 1 that's it, cause you know YV gotta get that.